Alright guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to actually get enrolled or join a particular Google class on your Android device. Remember, in our previous tutorial we looked at how to download and install our Google Classroom onto our smart device. So to get enrolled, there will be a code that will be sent. Okay, so after getting the code, then you just send the code into that particular word space that will be provided. Then you just click on join to get started. So without wasting much time, let's get right on it. All right, so let me go and find my Google Class icon. Yeah, all right, so this is my Classrooms icon. I tap on it, then we come to our first interface where you can see the create or join your first class. Okay, so this particular plus button here, you just have to click on it. Then we are having only two options here. It's either we are creating a class or we are joining a class, but as students we have to join a class, so we go ahead and click on it. Then the join class interface shows. Then you can see our text box, showing up here, waiting for a class code. So remember, the teacher will be sending the class code for all of you, for you guys to just punch the class code here. Then you click on join, then that will be that. So for this particular class, we have the code is FFX N 6 EY. All right, so after you are done, you click on the join and you wait while the Google Class completes. So here we are. We've joined a class called SLT and MLT HND computer. So this is for a particular class. This interface has three basic functionality that you should be expecting. Now we have our stream. The stream session is where we are going to find our posts, any information you want to give, or any comment you want to share with us. You just click in this area and you type. Once you are done typing, you just click on the send button up here, then we are good to go. We also have our classwork. This interface shows the entire assignments and quizzes that have been given. So you go and find all your classworks here. Then you also have the people. You're going to see all your classmates in this particular section. So all right guys, this is where we left off in our previous tutorial. So here we've now got into the section where we want to join a particular class using the desktop application. All right, so it's so simple. As we are in the join class interface, so you just go straight to the join class, you click on it. We have our text box to allow us to enter the class code. Remember, the class code will be given to you by your teacher. So let me just go right ahead and type the class code FFX N 6 EY. Good. So once I'm done, I just go to join, and voila, there we are. We've joined our class. So just like the smart version, we also have the stream session where we can post all our concerns and comments, okay, in this particular session. And you can also see our class, okay, our classwork, where all assignments and quiz posted will be seen in this particular arena. And we also have the people, where we can see our classmates also in this particular class. So that is quick, and thanks for watching. See you when I see you.